Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card, your most requested reading. What is the message for you, friends? What you need to know right now, what you need to focus on, or what is the message from the angels or the universe for you, friends? Many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, share, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. It might be showing on the video itself. And the 2022 readings yearly readings have started, so book yours now and beat the rush at the end of the year. So book now, friends, book early. You can also buy the charms reading for the year ahead. You can also we also do the yearly month by month reading, or you can also do a love, what will happen in your love life in the year 2022 and your career in the year 2022. So you can, many options available, so book yours now. Also, friends, many other readings are there, so you can email me or visit our website so to book the reading. So yes, so in this reading, friends, we are going to see what is currently happening with you and what is the message from the angels. What is the message for you that you need to hear right now. So many of you were asking and requesting this reading, so here it is. Let's see, what is the current theme, what is happening currently for you, for our viewers. What is happening currently for our viewers? Oh wow, letting go. So you are definitely going through some sort of a heartache, some sort of emotional energy, friends. You are feeling, you are actually missing somebody, or you have to end some situations, or some situations ended for you, and you are still feeling a bit of heartache, a bit of emotions for that situation. You are still missing somebody or some person. Yes, there is that energy. I do feel some situations have ended in your life, and you feel bad because you could not do something to keep those people, or make a positive change in that situation. You were not able to do anything, so there is that sense of sadness, loneliness, and a powerlessness going with the flow. Ace of Cups. Oh my God, yes, you are definitely trying to heal your heart, friends, and you are also waiting for some emotional healing or some recovery to happen in your life. You are looking for satisfaction, you are looking for hope, but you are not able to find it right now. So, no wonder you were asking for this reading. It makes complete sense now why many of you requested this reading. So, friends, yes, this is a time when your emotions are high, and you must accept or experience those emotions rather than shutting them off. Also, a new emotional era or phase is opening for you. It may not be looking like it is something new is happening, or something new has already started for you. You may not be able to feel it right now, but it has actually started. A new emotional phase, a new emotional healing is started for you, and it will soon be showing its signs to you. you know Possibilities, yes, new possibilities are coming for you, friends, and there will be more options available to you. Like right now you feel there are no options in work, in career, in love life, so you will have more options in the future. And projections, yes, I do feel, friends, that you need to be a little careful. If you feel the world is a dark place, it could be that somewhere you are a little not being practical. Are you feeling disheartened with the world, friends, or people around you, like everyone is bad? We are also sometimes bad, friends. Even I am, even I may have done some certain things which may not be appropriate at times. Even we all do, friends. We are all humans. So somewhere this is a very, very emotional time period for you, and you are trying to heal from a loss, recover from it, and a new start is already happening for you, but it will happen more, or it will appear or make more sense in the future. So let us see what is the angel's message for you. What is the message for our viewers? What do they need to hear right now? Integration. Wow. Yes, I do feel your life is coming into balance, friends. Whatever is missing from your life, you are going to achieve those things. You are going to find the balance which is right now not there in your life. Whatever is missing, I feel some of you could be feeling like you are not able to take charge of your life, take charge of your career. You are not able, you feel unhappy, or you feel like you are just crying. So there is an imbalance sort of a thing happening in your energy. But whatever is missing from your life, that is going to be revealed, and that is going to be given and gifted to you, friends, in the future. So do not worry. This is also a time when you should work on maintaining balance between your head and heart, also between your male and female energies. Like the male energy is to aggression, to be bold, to be confident. Female energy is more care, reception, and tears could also be a female energy, crying down. So be kind to yourself, balance your energies, don't be too hard on yourself. Nine of Pentacles. Yes, friends, money is coming your way. So if you're I feel if you're worried, yeah, some of you are definitely worried about money. It is going to come your way. Your hard work, your patience will bring you rewards of money, of love, of richness, of beauty and healing. So don't worry. Money is coming. Success is coming. And yes, your hard work and patience will pay off. And new vision, yes, some of you will be provided. The reason why you are feeling so confused and unhappy right now is that nothing around you really resonates with you. You are disconnected from everything around you, and the reason for that is because you need something new right now. You need a new vision, you need a new job, a new career, you need new friends, you need new people, or a new avatar of you. A new you is definitely arriving, friends, and it is you are in the making. In fact, you have already been changed. It is just a matter of time when it will reveal to you also that yes, there is something new happening in you, in your life and around you. So a new vision, you will be granted a new vision in your love life, in your work, in your career and life in general. Patience, yes, this is a time, you are going through birthing, friends. You are becoming a different enlightened spirit. You are also becoming more open to new love, to new relationships, to new jobs and careers. So this is a time that you need to be patient with yourself. I know you will say, oh, we have been patient forever. No, friends, you were really working very hard in the past. You were managing a lot of challenges, struggles, but now is the time to look after yourself. Really look after yourself. Be kind to your body. If you need extra sleep, just go and do it. Don't feel guilty. Also, if you feel some creative blocks, or if you are like, why my money is not coming, why love is not coming, be easy on yourself. A new relationship or a renewed love is coming. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. What do they need to hear? Creativity, yes, look at that. Yes, friends, creativity is coming your way. And if you any projects that you have started, they are going to succeed, and they are going to become more prosperous in your work and career. Another thing is, some of you are also going to find a new relationship, and this person will be very protective, very caring, and a complete wish come true for you. And this is the person you will end up marrying in the future. So please be kind to yourself. Please be gentle with yourself. Don't blame yourself, or don't be so hard on yourself. I also feel for some of you, you may be grieving or missing your mother, your mother in law, or you just want to be a mother. You want to be pregnant, have babies, and there are some delays there. So, it is all happening. Be patient. It will happen. Just give yourself time, and, stay positive. And I do feel that for most of you, your mothers are definitely connecting with you, or a goddess energy is protecting you and is watching over you. Like, whatever goddess you believe in, that, or any, the universal goddess of love. I see Queen Yang also, the goddess Queen Yang also being there for you, the goddess Lakshmi also being there around you and fighting. Yeah, friends, you had been through a very, very tough time. So it is time you take care of yourself, nurture yourself, because something new is going to come for you. And this is, you had been through tough, you had been a great warrior, friends. Things have been difficult in your life, but you may be feeling like, oh, I'm feeling so lazy, why I'm not working, I should achieve, I should do this, I should do that. You are a super achiever, you are a go-getter, you don't like to sit and enjoy life, or just, be lazy. I think it is okay once in a while to be lazy, to take the day off and just spend it watching TV, doing nothing. Because, friends, you had been through a lot. I don't know if you can see it or not. You have been through a lot of changes, through a lot of struggles, and it is okay to sleep. It is okay to indulge in some extra food or look after yourself and take a break. It is okay to make yourself a priority right now, because things are going to get better. Things are already, something new is going to come your way. So what is going to happen in the future for our viewers? What is their future hold? Wow, Three of Swords. So you are going to break free from whatever is, this hurt, this pain, this struggle. You are going to break free from that. The chains of the past, the karma, the heavy load, the expectations, the money not coming in. You are going to break free from that. And yes, number three again, Three of Pentacles. I do see support will be coming your way. I also see a new relationship or supportive friendships coming your way, and that will really change your life, friends. It will give you this help, the love that you need and deserve. And yes, Four of Cups tuning in. I do feel, friends, that in the future you guys will feel more at peace with the way life is. More support is there, more friends are there, more a new relationship where there is a lot of comfort and a lot of love is there, so you will feel happy. And Two of Swords, yes, I do feel there is a person who has ghosted you, blocked you, or left you. I do feel that person will be coming to apologize, or you will be able to recover from that loss of that person. Like you lost somebody who is not blocked, who is there is somebody who treated you badly, friends. They might have ghosted you, they might have blocked you, or also they might have been in anxiety, depression, and they put the blame on you, like you are the reason for everything. But you will recover from it. And I do feel a chance that this person is going to message you and come back and apologize, because you are their dream and it is not yet over. So yes, Six of Cups, somebody from the past is coming back and they will message you. Transformation, yes, this person will be changing, this person will change and transform. And then I think they are resisting, they are ready for this transformation to meet you and be your twin flame or be your ultimate lover, but they are trying to resist this change. But the angels are working on them. So what will happen in the future? Oh my god. Ten of Cups, harmony. Yes, some of you will definitely find the perfect partner to get married. Oh my god, strange energies today, actually. Lots of shuffling, lots of strange energies. And so yeah, I do feel that some of you are definitely going to find the person you will get married to. Also, if you are married and things were not going well, happiness will come in your married life. I also see some of you will expand your families, so a new birth or a childbirth or a birth in the family is expected ahead. And yes, look at that, sharing. Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for you. I do feel that, friends, yes, you are going to achieve prosperity, you are going to achieve the success and fame. And some of you are looking to go abroad, or you want to settle abroad, or looking for a job there. Yes, you are going to find it. Just be patient and just keep studying, friends, and be bold and believe in yourself. You are going to find that job. So let us see what else. So what else is going to happen for our viewers? What else is going to happen for... Ooh, fear. So my god, that was a strange... See how cards are jumping out? It's a strange energy today. I am not even able to shuffle, and the cards are coming out. So you are definitely fearing, friends, that what will happen, your future is not good, or maybe your dreams will not achieve, or you will not be able to achieve your dreams and prayers. But it is only fear. You are going to achieve whatever you want. True love, yes, you are going to achieve true love. Some of you are going to find true love and true friendships also. And I also feel you are going to find success, friends, and that job abroad, or that job you are looking for. Dark thoughts, yes. Some of you are having health issues, I feel, or maybe you are feeling very negative at the moment, pessimistic. You're gonna recover from that, yes, because that's the energy. Ace of Cups, opening to emotions. Look at that, a loving man. A new person is coming for you, friends. Somebody who is perfect, who is beautiful, and who is going to be your future husband or wife. I also feel this is true for your work and career. Somebody is coming your way who is going to help you, give you a job, or start a business with you, or guide you in some way, and that will be very important for your business and career. Great achievement. Yes, friends, you are going to achieve a great achievement. You are going to achieve a reward, an award. Some of you are going to clear the exams you were looking forward, and also some of you are going to achieve a victory in love, which is due since a very, very long time. Joyous fun. Yes, friends, fun is coming your way, and I think you badly need some fun, friends, like going out, spending time with family, or spending a day like you did when you were kids. You definitely need this energy, and it is coming your way. Extra fun, happy days, and no cares, transformation. Yes, things are going to change. Your life is going to change, and this time your life is changing to better. Everything will become easier for you, friends, so you will not have to struggle a lot in the future, or wait for love to come or something like that. Things will be better in the future for you. So what else will happen for our viewers? What else will happen? Solar plexus. So I feel that, yes, friends, the your creativity is definitely opening up. Your solar plexus chakra is being worked upon by the angels. And what does the solar plexus do? It motivates you, it boosts you, it gives you a confidence. Also, if you it also is the negatives of the solar plexus is jealousy, feeling inferior, feeling you cannot achieve something. No, you are going to achieve something. Your solar plexus is healing, your confidence will increase, and yes, your telepathy will increase. Your angels and the universe is going to talk a lot more to you in the future, and you will be able to manifest or listen to those messages very carefully and clearly. So you are becoming more sensitive to your environment, and yes, things are going to open up for you. Opportunities which are missing will come to you, and people that which were you were missing, or you thought you will not get married again, you will not meet the true lover of your life. Yes, you are going to meet that, and meet them and fall in love and have a very happy married life. Sadness and isolation. Yes, this thing is going to change for you, friends. Sadness is going to be removed from your life, and love is going to take its place. Confront. Yes, there are deep emotions happening. This is a very emotional time for you, friends. You should remain a little easy on yourself and not try to be too hard. Just do something that you enjoy. Like, if you enjoy cooking, do that. If you enjoy some sports, do that. Music, it's going to be important for you. Let's see what you need to keep in mind, friends. Stand still. Sometimes we feel like life is at a pause, nothing is happening. But actually, life is always moving, nothing is ever at a pause. The universe is always in a constant state of flux. So things are moving, friends. Do not believe that you are at a pause or nothing is changing in your life. Things are already changing. Miracles are coming your way, friends. Yes, a great miracle is coming your way. I do feel some of you are going to get rainbow children, indigo children in your life as babies, or rainbow partners, indigo partners. Highly advanced souls are going to come, or fall in love with you, or you are going to attract those people. Amazing miracles are coming your way, friends. Yes. What else our viewers need to keep in mind? Protection. You're very protected, friends. You don't need to worry about anything, whether your money will come or not. Yes, you are going to achieve the money, the success, and thriving. Yes, you are going to thrive in the future. You are going to be successful. No one can stop it. You need to just believe in yourself, friends. Yes, you need to believe in yourself. So let us see some advice for you now. What is the advice for our viewers, friends? Angels, what is the advice for our viewers? Set your sights higher. You deserve the best, friends. You deserve the best. And if you are settling for less, or if you are just being pessimistic and not even dreaming big, so don't do that. Dream big, increase your standards, expect more for yourself, and don't settle. So yes, big things are coming for you in love, in work, and in career. You are being helped. See, you are not alone, friends. Even if you are feeling alone, remember the universe is with you, the guides are with you, we are with you, I am with you, Magic Wednesday Tarot is with you. We are all a spiritual family together, and we are all with you, friends. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you even if you do not see results. Some of you are really upset why nothing is actually happening in your life. It is because, friends, sometimes such things happen, like nothing happens in our life for even a year or maybe 2 3 years, but then suddenly a thing happens and our life changes. It becomes beautiful, it becomes easier, and you understand why you had to wait or why things were not happening earlier. So do not worry, things are moving. Heaven is working behind the scenes to bring you heaven is working behind the scenes to help you even if you do not see the results yet. Oh my god, look at that, a soulmate connection. Oh wow, new romance with a spiritual basis is here for you. So yes, I do feel that for some of you a new relationship is coming, for others a new partnership at work is coming, which is going to really help you. Also, this could be a spiritual mentor or a guide or a friend coming into your life and changing your life. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.